to talk about something that I think is very important, because a lot of people ask me that, and I thought, hey, why not talk about it and do a video on it? And for those that already have my course, I actually have updated it so that you do actually have a list of all the overage friendly states. But today I want to talk about some of the benefits of, I don't want to say some of the benefits, but what are good overage states. And pretty much what I consider, because you know everybody has an opinion, right? What I consider is a good overage state is a state that, number one, allows third party. And if you don't know what third party is, I will be covering that in another video about third party friendly states, which are people like you and I that want to help people uncover overages. But we'll get into that at another video, right? What I want to talk about, what are good overage states. And once again, this is my opinion, and the reason why I say what are good overage states are states that allow everyday people like you and I to go in and collect overages on behalf of a claimant. And what I call our good overage states is somewhere where you don't have to use an attorney. And I get this all the time, like, do I have to use an attorney to collect overage? I've been successful, little old me, with my corporation, or even personally myself, collecting overages without an attorney. So some of the states, well, one of the states that I think have really good overages that one of my students actually uncovered is Georgia. It's a really good state for overages, but it's not a good state for third party. And the reason why is because a lot of the counties, and I haven't covered all the counties, but most of the counties that I've uncovered myself and some of my students, they do require an attorney. So I would not call that a good overage state. And another good overage state is a state that doesn't have a cap. And what I mean by a cap is, for example, in Texas, there is a cap on how much people like you and I can collect. So in Texas, I stay out of Texas. Not only do some of the counties make you have an attorney, but some of the all of the counties in Texas is a 10% cap. So I wouldn't consider Texas an overage friendly state as well. Some of the good states, and I'm just going to name a few, like California, Florida, South Carolina, those are some good overage states because they don't have caps. They're third party friendly, and some of the states are, you get the redemption period is rather quick. So that means that you can get paid within 90 to 120 days. So there's, as you guys know, there's 50 states, about 20 states, and I'm thinking there's a little bit more because I'm finding that some of the hybrid states will allow you to do excess proceeds. I know someone commented about Canada. I haven't found out about Canada yet. But I'm still doing some research on that. But what I wanted you to know about what are good overage states are states that allow third-party people to come in and collect overage funds without any caps. Now, I wanted to just give you a little tidbit on some of the states, but for those that actually have my course, I have it all in there of all the overage friendly states, and what states are good and what states are not. And so if you're wanting to know more about that, you could do one or two things. You could sign up for my course, which the link is down below, or you can do my overage where I do I don't want to say one-on-one, but we do it as a group, and I help you collect overages. Now, I do want to make this clear because I think a lot of people get into my cohort and they think it's like easy breezy. The easy breezy part is that I research the overage. I basically find the claimants, everything that you need to be successful. I don't necessarily find the claimants for you, but as far as the names and sourcing the list, I do all that. But I'm trying to teach people how to do it with real life claimants. So if you're interested in wanting to do that, I am having an overage course. It's going to be on November 14th, which is a Monday. And you can sign up for that. I will be having that in a couple of weeks. And basically what it is we're going to do a list of a whole bunch of claimants that I don't know if they've been claimed or not, but I feel like it's a really good list. And it's about time that we can help some people while the holidays come and give them an extra bonus for those that are interested in learning overages and wanting to put extra money not only in their pockets, but someone else's pockets as well. So if you want to be a Santa Claus for someone this holiday, come and join my overage cohort. It will be on November 14th. I try to close it the day before because I do try to do a pre-assessment just so I can know where everyone is when it comes to claiming overages. One of the things that I'm learning in my different cohorts is that we all have strengths, right? And I'm trying to make my course, I don't want to say course, but my cohort a lot easier for you. But what I find is when you get out there in the real world, I've done all the work for you. So I'm trying to not only make it easy, but I'm also trying to teach you so that you can go out and do it on your own. One of the things as a student, because I've been a student too, is I don't like oftentimes where we do these courses and then we kind of like lose focus. So one of the main reasons why I do the overage cohort is number one, for accountability. Number two, we get to work off of each other's strengths and as well as each other's weaknesses. But however, when you come as a collective, it almost gives you like an accountability to kind of like get things done, because at the end of the day, we all have lives, we all have other things to do, but we all would love extra money, right? So one of the things I do in my cohort is to try to make it easier so you're not spending hours and hours and hours on trying to figure out how to do this whole process. I actually pretty much lay out the process for you, and I'm more of a hands-on person, so the cohort is a lot of more hands-on. Like, I'm pretty much giving you everything, but then I'm gonna actually help you along, even though I already have all the answers. But the whole thing of it is for you to learn the process so that you can learn how to do it in another county. And the ultimate goal, it doesn't always happen, so I can't promise to everyone, but my ultimate goal is for you to get a claimant, not only so you can pay back your course, but have extra money in your pocket. I oftentimes don't like to do this on the holidays, but I was like, this is a pretty good list. And I know as things are starting to change, you guys, I was just in California and I was telling my mom, I was like, when did like regular crackers be like $9? Like, crackers, Mom? Like, I can't believe these crackers are $9. Don't ask me what kind of crackers they was, but they was $9. And I was like, I can't wait to get back to Texas. So I was like, let me do one for the holidays, because as things get tight, I feel like there's more people that need to help other people get these funds that are literally go back to the government year after year after year. And so I'm hoping that I can get more people to be able to file claimants to not only put extra money in your pocket for the holidays, but to actually put money in those claimants that aren't even expecting it or don't even know that it exists. So I look forward to working with you. This is a state where there is no cap. So, and there also, it's enough spread for everybody to actually get a cut of the pie. So if you're interested in wanting to do overages with me, like I said, I'm doing an overage cohort on November 14th. Don't forget to click the link below and join the movement. Happy investing, you guys.